Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So, I went to the Home Depot I normally go to in Phoenix, and I was hoping they had some of these XPS bits, and they ended up having a lot more than the stores around where I live. Casca and Coolidge area, Santan, Queen Creek. I picked up this Makita 1/4 inch hex bit adapter extension. It's magnetic. It's 12 inches. So I will now have that one and the Milwaukee, and I have a couple other brands too. These right here are Black & Deckers. I like extensions. I also picked up, because for whatever reason my stores don't have them. They don't have the 10, a Torx 10, and they don't have Torx 15 and Phillips 3 in the 3 inch. So I picked those up. Part number for the extension is E as in Edward -01389. For the Torx 10 3 inch bits 2-pack, it is Edward 01199. For the Phillips 3 3 inch, it's Edward 01155. For Torx 15 or T15 3 inch, part number is Edward 01208. I like the rest of them, so we're gonna see how well they do. That's everything I picked up, and then I went to a different Home Depot, and I actually grabbed, I think, 2 or 3 things from that one. We'll do that in a separate video. These are just gonna be quick little small tool hauls under 5 minutes. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.